Sparky, what the hell was that? Eh? No sound effects. That was our dog possessed by the devil. We have the devil beast. Don't you fucking point camera at me.
Speak.
Put that phone away or I will bite it. That's what that's saying. Just think any burglars you break in, that's what's waiting for you.
Sparky, speak. Speak. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away.
I won't come up these stairs if I were a burglar if that were looking at me.
Speak, Sparky. Speak. It's like, no, I'm done now.
We've not paused. The dog is just motionless, waiting to pounce. That's your cue to pounce. Getting ready, get ready. She comes flying down these stairs, I'm going to poo my pants. Well, I think that's it now, we're going to play mode.
Sparky.
Come on, do it again, Sparky, go on.
Come here, baby.
Speak.
Come here.
Look, it's coming.
Come here, you.
Get that camera out of my face.
Come on, baby. Get the camera out of my face. Get him told, Sparky. Speak. Girl. Speak. Speak. Come on, baby. Good girl.
That's a deep, meaningful growl right there. Look, you've still got that phone in your hand. You've still got that camera on me.
Get him told. Get him told, Sparky. Go on.
I will have you. I will bite you. I will chew you. There's meaning in that face.
Speak, Sparky. Come here, baby. Come here.
I nearly fell over.
Come here. Come here.
I'm waiting for it to jump on me any minute.
Come here, baby. I ain't going nowhere with that stuff.
I'm going to stare you down, man. I'm going to stare you down. Yeah, I win. You blink first.
Come here. Come here. What's this?
Sparky. Sparky. I said bog off, didn't I? I'm telling you, man.
Come here, baby. What's he doing here? Come here. You turned it just as she did it. I did, because I like.
Right, we're going to end this video. We're going to have to listen to that growl one more time. That's just incredible. Well, we won't listen to it one more time because it's knacked up on the iPad that it was recorded on. So, Sparky, come on, you got to do it again.
Why are you put it on there?
You got to do it again. Don't just look at me. Do it again. Go on, do it. Do it.
It's like,
No, guess not. It was a one-shot deal.